The moment someone wants to take a picture of you, you try to suck your belly in. But here is my today's tip that can help you hide your midsection or your belly in pictures more gracefully than hiding behind someone in a picture. Hope you saw my this video. If you didn't, then please watch it right after this video. It will be linked in the description below. Welcome to Blush with me, and let's learn how to gracefully hide your midsection in pictures. So I want you to learn more than just one pose. So when there is a time to take pictures, you look versatile in every picture. Which is why I'm trying to show you one pose per video, but in detail, and then challenge you to master it. So firstly, if you're sitting on a soft chair or couch, then move to a chair that has a firm base. A soft cushion makes you sink in. When you sink in, it makes you appear shorter and it highlights all your folds in your midsection. If you don't have a firm chair, then add a cushion just before you sit, like me. Watch what happens when I sit without a cushion. I look shorter, I look stockier, all my folds in my midsection are highlighted, versus when I sit with a cushion under my butt. All of it disappears, my body elongates, and you look much taller and slimmer in pictures. Now this is a great tip not just for pictures, but even if you're in a meeting or a party or on a date, adding a cushion under your butt makes you appear taller and slimmer and more confident. Because guess what? Even the fittest girls with six packs have this issue. If you don't know the right body language, you do not know how to make it appear its best. And remember, sometimes you may have a little bit of this issue, but just by sitting the wrong way, you're exaggerating something that you don't even have. And if you already have body weight issue and you look a little bigger in the midsection, then why exaggerate that by sitting on the wrong kind of chair that will only make you look shorter, more stockier, and highlight everything that actually makes you a little conscious about yourself. Now this is not where it ends. When your knees and torso are in the same line from top to bottom, you appear shorter and stockier. Watch me. Like right now, I look elongated, but watch me when I sit like this. You see what I'm saying? So slant your legs to one side and lean to the other side elegantly, and you can hold your fingers right around your midsection. This makes you appear extremely confident, because if you saw my power pose video, then you would have noticed that the moment you take more space, you appear more powerful and confident. This pose takes your mind off of your midsection because your hands are elegantly posing and covering your belly while you're in a conversation or in a picture. Yet again, this pose is not just for pictures. You can see me right now, like I'm in a conversation. Confident body language makes you appear confident overall, and people listen to you better because you have the body language of a leader. I have no doubt that these body language and posing tips will improve not just your pictures, but also your impression wherever you go. I challenge you to try these out right now and use these posing tips every day. Practice them and master them. Every day I see the power of an empowered image, not just within myself, but also in my clients who work with me one-on-one. I am Parmita, Chicago-based image coach, and you can work with me. Just check out my website, it's on the screen right now, and book a session with me. Let me be your image coach and guide you to finding the best version of yourself. Subscribe, like, and share this video, and don't forget to comment if you enjoyed watching it and learned something from today's video. I will link my other videos and playlists at the end of this video and below in the description as well. Please watch them. I will see you next week. Until then, blush with me.